Hello class 7th, I am Ashok, your English teacher here present with a new video for you. I hope all of you are fit and fine at home and enjoying your online studies. Dear students, today I am going to discuss a very important topic from writing section, biosketch writing. In this video, we will find out three things: what is biosketch, what are the guidelines to write it, what are the requirements to write it. Now let's see what is there in the introduction. A biographical sketch or biosketch is a brief summary of a person's life achievements. It includes professional, educational accomplishments, publications, and affiliation that highlight important aspects of his or her experience, training, etc. So, biosketch is a short biography of a person in which his education, professional achievements, publications of books, if any, is there, and other more important aspects of life are depicted. These are some of the guidelines which we have to follow while writing a biosketch. It should be written in third person, so you have to keep in mind that whenever you are going to write biosketch, you should have to write it in third person. It should outline important events of person's life, means important events of person's life should be added to detail in biosketch. Special rewards and recognitions must be mentioned also. Emphasis should be on portraying a person in an admirable manner, and this is very important that you should write everything in admirable manner, not in insulting manner. This is the information which is required to write a biosketch. First, name and age, then main personality traits, special interests, education and training, special contribution or research if any, and why people like him or her. You have to say something about it also in the biosketch writing. Now, how to use given information, we will learn it. Now see, this is the question: on the basis of information given, write the biosketch of Mahatma Gandhi. So in this way, information will be there in the question, like October 2, 1869, born at Porbandar to Shri Karamchand and Smith Putli Bhai. 1889 to 1893, completed studies in England, went to South Africa to practice law, suffered discrimination there, started non-violence and civil disobedience for civil right of Indian community. In 1914 to 15, left South Africa and came back to India. 1915 to 1947, satyagrahas, civil disobedience, fasts, marches, movements, and jail sentences. January 30, 1948, he was shot dead by Nathuram Godse at Birla House. So this is some information about Gandhi ji. Now we have to utilize this information and write a brief biosketch of Mahatma Gandhi on the basis of this information. See how to write. Now you have to utilize that information in a sequence, and you have to add words of your own also to make the sequence valid and good looking. Mahatma Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 to Mr. Karamchand and Mrs. Putlibai at Porbandar. After completing his studies in England, he went to South Africa. When he suffered discrimination, he started civil disobedience for civil rights of Indian community. Around 1915, he came back to India. So this is the first section we have covered. Now other information we will also utilize it. He started satyagraha, civil disobedience, fasts, marches, movements, and sentenced many a times. His efforts helped India to get freedom from the British. On 30th January 1948, Nathuram Godse assassinated him outside Birla House. So in this way, you have to write biographical sketch in brief, and you have to utilize the information, and you have to write like paragraph. Now see, this is home assignment. You have to complete it in your notebooks. Below you can see some notes about Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. Use the information and write a short biography of Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri. So you have learned how we have written the bio sketch of Mahatma Gandhi. In the same way, information about Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri is given here, and you have to write bio sketch of Lal Bahadur Shastri on the basis of this information. 1904, born at Mughal Sarai in UP, poor parents. 1927, marriage with Lalita. 1928, became an active Congress worker. 1951, elected to Rajya Sabha. 1955 to 63, minister in the central government. 1964, elected as Prime Minister of India. 1965, India defeated Pakistan under his leadership. 11 January 1966, leads Indian delegation at Tashkent for peace talks with Pakistan and dies of sudden heart attack there. So this is some information. Now you have to utilize this information and write the bio sketch. This is your homework. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.